my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Are you ready for the best nail ever? I have done this design over and over and over again, and every time it makes my heart happy. Even Max is getting excited. I know, so excited for this nail. So I'm using fibre gel today and I'm using Cameo. So let's give that a cure. It's exciting, isn't it, Max? Mummy's pretty nail. Okay, that's our base layer done. Isn't Cameo so beautiful? It's such a pretty colour. I love it so much. Really complimentary on everybody's nails as well. But I'm going to show you a special trick with Cameo. Where are you? If you mix a little bit Cameo with your soft pink fibre gel. Come on, hurry up at the lamp. You get such a really nice deep effect. Oh, 30 seconds is such a long time, isn't it? Okay, soft pink. Just look at that. How pretty is that? Oh, guys, you are in for a treat with this nail, I tell you now. Very nice. Right, let's give that a full cure. And the good thing about fibre gel, if you get your application spot on, you don't even need to file it. You can go straight in with your favourite colours. And I am so ready. Spring! We are in spring. First day of April. And spring makes me so happy. So I'm going to show you how to do an ombre today. So I'm using Chaos and some Mint Humbug. So get those colours on, and you need your ombre brush, and we're going to give that really good mix like that. Get a flawless ombre with this brush. When you're happy with that, we can pop that in the lamp and give that a full cure. I know what you're thinking, guys. I know what you're thinking. Surely she's not going to leave it like this. I know it already looks amazing. It's already coming together, and this is the best nail you've ever seen. I know that. But there's more to come. Hold on to your knickers, ladies. Hold on to your knickers. So I'm going to add some fine line details. This is really intricate nail art, really intricate. Got to be so careful with this. Use your brush in the right way. Foxglove is what I'm using here. Real nice light pressure with the brush. Nice feather light strokes, and then I'm coming in with a bit of foxglove. So very carefully, just little details. Okay, take your time. There's no rush. Do that bit there. Wait. Perfect. Okay, when you're happy with that, pop that in for another cure. Lids on products, guys. You do not want to make a mess. And what nail wouldn't be complete without some glitter? We need some glitter on this nail. She's last time I had her here saying, leave this perfect nail alone. So applying our, I've got that many products now. So many polishes on my desk right now. I'm going to apply the glitter with my top coat. So just pop a little bit of top coat on and then a little bit of glitter. Okay, not too much. Don't go too heavy with the glitter. Okay. If you have got if you've got too much on, you can just move it about a little bit. Like this. A little bit too much down this side. It's not a problem. It's just in that top coat, so just very carefully position it in the places that you want it. Got any bits sticking up, just carefully pat that down. Those little bits of glitter that stick up can quite easily ruin your design. They'll snag. So when you're happy with that, in fact I think let's just move this over here just a little bit. Perfect, perfect. Right, when you're happy with that, get that in the lamp. Don't worry about this, this is fine. I've got these gorgeous celestial pieces. There's moons and stars and all sorts in here. I'm just going to add, I don't want it to be too much. We don't want to go too over the top with this nail. So I'm just going, if I can bloody pick it up, honestly. I know it's upside down, don't panic, it's fine, it's all part of the design. I'm just going to seal that in place. How pretty are these? These are actually beautiful, aren't they? I can't get the lid on one-handed though. Don't want to drop them. Right, let's come in with top coat. Nice and careful, don't flood this nail. First thing you want to do is flood this nail, okay? We need to make sure it's got a nice smooth top to it. There's no lumpy bumpy bits. And get that in and we'll cure that. Let's pop the lid on this now, I've got two hands. And we are going to finish this nail off, guys and girls. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? There you are. Needs must. There's just one thing missing on this nail. One thing missing. Okay, pull that out the lamp. I'm just going to pop a little bit more top coat on. And we're going to come in with our crystals. These need to be on here. I mean, come on, guys. Does that just not finish it off? Look at this. Right, when you're happy with your crystals in place, give that one more cure. And then we just need to top coat this nail one more time. And I am blown away. I'm blown away. I hope you are loving this nail as much as I do. It looks so much better in person. So much better in person. Final top coat just to seal everything in. Seal it all in. And then that can go in for its final cure. And here it is, guys. And now it's a masterpiece. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.